you can build your network and get a job. Guys, looking to land your next job, here is a powerful secret. Your network can open doors that your resume alone cannot. Here are 4 quick tips to build a network that helps you get hired. Tip number 1, be strategic. Connect with people in the companies or industries you are aiming for. Do not just send random invites. Personalize your message and show genuine interest. Tip number 2, leverage LinkedIn. Use LinkedIn, engage with posts, join relevant groups, and comment thoughtfully. Show potential employees that you are active and knowledgeable in your field. Tip number 3, attend industry events. Guys, attend industry networking events and seminars. These are gold mines for meeting key players, learning about job openings, and making personal connections that stand out. And tip number 4, ask for referrals. Do not afraid to ask for referrals. Be specific. Ask your connections if they know of any openings or can introduce you to someone in the hiring process. Your next job could be from the LinkedIn you built today. And that's how you can build a network to get a job.